Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set reminder on iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, let me tell you what reminder means. Reminder mean if you want to do any task in a day or in your month, so you have to just set on your phone and they will send you a notification to remember you what you want to do in that time and all that. Subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the more update. Let's start the video. So you have to go to reminders app in your iPhone. App is automatically downloaded in your phone, so what you have to just search a reminder and open this app. After open this app, there is an option of new reminder on the right side of back, so you have to touch on new reminder. Here you have to search the title like what you are going to be do. So this will remind you, like send notification to remind you like you have to do this at that time. So this is very useful for the people they are busy in their daily life and wanted to get reminder from their iPhone to remember that what they have to do in the daily life. So for to get information or notification, you just have to go to the setting and on the notification. So here I am setting a reminder. A reminder would like to send you notification, so you have to say allow, because if you don't allow, it will not send you any notification and you will not know what to do. So here I'm setting a, you just set, have to title what you want to do at that time and you have to set the time date. After that, you want to, if you want to repeat your, if you are doing any business, so it's daily basic, so you have to search for that. You have to set there if you want to daily reminder, if you want monthly reminder, or if you have specific days that you want to send this notification to you. So this is the very useful way if you want to have a workload and busy life, so you can easily get whatever you want to done by using this app. So this is the very useful for business. Hopefully friends you like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the more updates. So here once again I'm creating a reminder to tell you how it works. So what you have to do, you just have to open reminder in like drive. So after that I'm setting drive title and then you save it, so it will send you notification.